5 most shocking animal mutations. Just as there are mutations in human children, there are some animals too who are subjected to mutations and are born with peculiar characteristics. While these are rare happenings, they are possible and very much real. Today, we list 5 of the most shocking mutations in animals in the following. Number 1. The 8-legged goat, octagote. Zoran Poporic, a farmer in Kujava, Croatia, had to phone a neighbor to make sure he wasn't hallucinating when he saw one of the children of his goat Saka had given birth to. The child possessed both male and female organs as well as 8 legs. The goat, octagote, is thought by local vets to have absorbed its underdeveloped twin while still in the womb. Octagote was born with 2 healthy siblings. In the 4 years Zoran had it, its mother had also given birth 4 times to healthy triplets. However, the goat could not stand because it had not enough energy to walk or stand. Hence, it is not always good to have more limbs when it comes to walking or running. Number 2. The dog with 2 legs. Faith. Faith was born with a neurological disorder that prevented the full growth of her front legs. A homeless dog had attempted to murder her since she was unable to walk and had been rejected by her mother. Reuben Stringfellow, 17, found her and brought her to his mother. Later, once they started to weaken, her 2 front legs had to be amputated. Faith, who was born with just 2 rear legs, learned how to stand, walk, hop and run. She now stands on her hind legs and moves around like a human. She has met a number of famous people and even appeared on the Oprah show. She has also gone to a number of military locations and hospitals where she encourages wounded service members and veterans. Number 3. The 2-headed albino snake. The number 3 mutation on our list goes to the 2-headed albino rat snake called Wee. The chins of black rat snakes are typically white rather than black. However, one, Wee, named black rat snake, is not black, rather it's an albino. It has 2 heads as well as male and female reproductive organs. Wee was only a few weeks old when World Aquarium in St. Louis paid its owner $15,000 to get it. Over the years, Wee had over 1 million visits before it passed away at the age of 8. The 2-headed snake frequently attempted to move simultaneously in 2 directions. Ineffective attempts were made by World Aquarium to breed it with another 2-headed snake. When World Aquarium attempted to auction the snake for $150,000 in 2006, it quickly gained international notoriety. Number 4. 3-headed frog. While you might think that 3-headed mutant frogs are extremely uncommon, they are not unheard of. In 2004, a mutant frog with 3 heads and 6 legs was discovered in the yard of the UK's Green Umbrella Nursery. It is unknown whether Froggy's 3 mouths were totally functional, but its eyes and legs appeared to be functioning perfectly. Although mutant frogs have been recorded for about 200 years, a professor of biology at the Open University claimed that one with 3 heads and 6 legs is entirely unheard of. A genetic mutation, pollution, or parasite infestation could be to blame for such a shocking mutation. Some individuals think that the mutation is a result of the nearby Hinkley nuclear power plant, which is now dismantled and is only 19 kilometers from Green Umbrella Nursery. Number 5. The white tiger. A wildlife reserve in Arkansas saved Kenny, a white tiger, and his sibling Willie, a regular orange-coated tiger. Kenny was unable to fully close his mouth because of his disfigured face and a bit of mental disability. Willie, though, had a cross-eyed expression. The parents of Kenny and Willie are siblings who were forced to mate by a breeder in the hopes of producing a white tiger. Later, after having trouble selling the 2 brothers because of their defects, the breeder gave up on them. There aren't any white tigers in the wild. They can only be created by breeding closely related tigers until the proper mutation takes place. Most people have physical defects and health issues from birth. All white tigers are cross-eyed because the gene that makes their coats white also makes the optic nerve linked to the incorrect side of the brain. In addition, they have immunological deficiencies, cleft palates, and spine malformations. In fact, most white tigers are stillborn, and those that aren't usually pass away at a young age. Cancer claimed Kenny's life in 2008. These are 5 of the most shocking mutations to occur in animals. What do you think about these mutations? Let us know in the comments.